These days, when motorists seek the services of an automotive professional, they will usually search online. That's why a new Find a Service portal has been developed. Now, motorists can find what they're looking for within the trusted VACC network. This is how Find a Service appears to motorists on the VACC homepage. Potential customers can enter keywords and the geographical area in which they are seeking those services, and appropriate VACC members will appear. It's important, therefore, that your business details are accurate and inviting, so take the time to update your information on the Find a Service platform. To do this, log in with your username and password, and at top right, the drop-down menu will reveal Find a Service Admin, which allows you to customize how your business details appear to the public. Your business details, such as trading name, address, and contacts, along with certifications and accreditations, are pre-populated. The information in this section is sourced from the VACC membership database and can only be changed by the membership department. If you want to request a change of details, you can do so by clicking here. Once approved, you can select View Listing at any time to see how the changes you have made appear to potential customers on the VACC website. On the right-hand side, you can customize your trading hours by selecting days and times and then changing the details. Clicking this arrow allows you to enter a customized message. You can alert potential customers to changes in public holiday business trading here. Ticking this box informs potential customers that they need to make an appointment. Once you have done this, click Accept Terms to save information. Read the disclaimer information and, if you agree, click I accept. Then close and save. Changes to this section appear immediately. The Image Gallery section allows you to upload up to 6 images. These could be your business premises, workshop, stock, or even your staff. High-quality photos will promote a positive image to potential customers, so take the time to select good photographs. Once you have your images, choose File, then select the photo to upload. You can arrange the order of the photos by dragging them like this. Remember that the first image on the left-hand side is the one that will appear on the search results page, so make it a good one. Repeat up to 5 more times. Accept terms, close, and save. All images will be reviewed by VACC prior to appearing live. The Find a Service Details section allows you to market your business with specific messages and information that will appear to potential customers. In the business headline, using up to 80 characters, tell potential customers what's great about your business and why they should use your services or purchase something from your business. This will appear on your public profile, so make it compelling. In Key Selling Points, provide up to 3 marketing statements about your business with a maximum of 50 characters each. The Summary Information section allows you to expand a little more and provide an overview of your business's core specializations. You can add your website link by clicking this box here and a Facebook link here. You will need to read and accept the disclaimer information and then save. Finally, in the Business Services section below, your primary division is populated here. If your business operates across multiple divisions, these can be accessed from the drop-down menu here. Then click on Specialist Services and select those that are applicable. The combination of your division and your specialist services determines the Select Services options. Click on the appropriate services you wish to promote to potential customers. They will then appear here, to a maximum of 12 services across all divisions. Accept terms, close, and save. Now you're done. View how your business appears on the VACC website by clicking View Listing. And don't forget to update your listing at any time should things change, like your opening hours or the launch of a new service offering. The new Find a Service feature has been created for VACC members. Make it work for you.